special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 4:30 p.m. At 2:52 p.m., a line of strong thunderstorms, located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles southwest of Pleasant to Prairie to 31 nautical miles south of Winthrop Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. As thunderstorms move over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until these storms pass. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. for northeastern Illinois. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee.